Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss very important job update. Department of Atomic Energy, Baba Atomic Research Center. So this is recruitment as scientific officers through its academic program OCES and DGFS that we'll discuss in detail. See the eligibility. Engineering graduates and science postgraduates can apply. So they can apply with the gate or without the gate. Very important. They can apply through with the gate, without the gate. The selection process, those who applied through with the gate, they should have a gate score, valid gate score, gate 2020 or gate 2021. Those who applied without gate, they can write BARC exam 2021. After that, a short list will publish. Okay, that shortlisted candidates can attend interview. Okay, these are the two way: with the gate, without the gate. After the interview, they can choose OCES or DGFS. That we'll discuss in detail. Okay, OCES or DGFS. And after that, they will appoint a scientific officer. This is the selection process. So let us discuss what is this OCES and DGFS. OCES, it is orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. The engineering graduates and science postgraduates can choose this OCES. But what is DGFS? DAE, Department of Atomic Energy Graduate Fellowship Scheme. That is the full form of DGFS. Engineering graduates and, very important, physics postgraduates can apply for this. Physics postgraduates and engineering graduates can apply for this. See, the OCES is a 1-year course. It is a training course. During that period, the candidate will call as trainee scientific officer. After that, they will appoint as scientific officers. Then the DGFS is a 2-year course. It is nothing but it is MTech from IITs or NITs or ICT, Institute of Chemical Technology. So during that period, they will call students. After that, they will appoint as scientific officers. See the important dates. Online application starting from 12th July 2021. Last date for registration for online application 7th August 2021. Last date for submission of online application is 9th August 2021. Then online examination, that is BARC online examination, is on 12th September 2021. The selected candidate list, that is short listing, that will publish on 21st September 2021. And the interview date is 4th to 29th October 2021. And the final selection list, so that will publish second week of November 2021. So this is the website link. You can go through this link. You will see all about this notification. If you have any doubt, please type in comment box. Okay, thank you.